morning, everyone. Good morning. So my topic is the continuation of what Benjamin discussed last meeting. So the kinds of fraction. So Benjamin discussed the proper fraction, which is fraction whose value is less than 1. Okay, so proper fraction is ingunani, for example, 2/4. Diba mas nako ang numerator kaysa sa denominator? One is a proper fraction. Now let's move on to improper fraction. Kindly read, everyone.
Proper fraction. Improper fraction. Fraction whose value is equal to or greater than 1.
Okay, so ang improper fraction is same ang numerator o denominator, or mas nako ang numerator kaysa sa denominator. For example, imagine this is a cake. For example, 4. So, ang cake is kaino na to into 3. So, diba, each cake is na-divide siya into 3. So, ang numerator, mas nako man ang numerator kaysa sa denominator, it's shade na to ang... Another example, guys. Imagine this is a cake, guys. So, 6 man ang numerator, pila ka po katong i-shade diri sa sa cake? 6. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, i-shade na to ng 6 ka po. So, each cake is na-divide siya into 4, then ang numerator is 6. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, naimo siyang 6/4. Kung ano siya improper fraction. Then, na improper fraction, pwede po siya imunanin 5/5. Which is, imunanin siya. For example, so, imunanin, na-divide siya into 5. Imagine nga, na-divide niya siya into 5. I-shade na to ni siya tanan. Ang kain mo siya 5/5. Wala na siya ang improper fraction. It's either mas nako ang numerator kaysa sa denominator, or equal ang both numerator of denominator. So now let's move on to mixed number. Mixed number is composed of a whole number or fractional parts such as 1, 7, 9, and 4, 3/5. 4 and 3/5. So, for example, kanina lang 1 and 2/4. This is a mixed number, and kaya na siya i-compose of whole number and fraction. So, if for example, this is a 5. So, whole number man siya, kaning isa ka 5, dili na to siya i-divide. Since whole number man siya, dili na to siya i-divide. Ang i-divide na to ang second na 5. So, i-divide na to siya into 4, which is, ang denominator is 4, so i-divide na to siya into 4. So, pila i-shade na to, ano yung nasunod na 5? 2. Very good. So, yung manani ang mixed number, ang isa ka 5 is, dili na to siya i-shade, it's because whole number, while ang isa ka 5, ang second 5 mo, atong i-divide and i-shade. That's all. Ay, napaday. Unit fraction, a fraction with a numerator of 1. So, any fraction na ang numerator is 1, ang tawagan na is